everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to swatch and show you guys all the new Too Faced Melted Metallic lipsticks. I'm excited. I love metallics. Like, I'm into the trend. I don't know, it's just different and fun, and just I'm into it. I feel good about it. So let's jump into it. So I'm gonna put a little headband on so I don't get any lipstick in my hair. My hair has a mind of its own. So I do want to tell you guys they did send these to me, so I just wanted to throw it out there. But my opinions are 100% my own. I've actually been loving the melted mattes forever. I actually use, that's like the first corally, like crazy lipstick I ever used, and it's just been my favorite lipstick ever since. So I'm excited to try these guys out. The first one is called Faking It. So funny because I always say fake it till you make it, honey. First of all, they are in the same package as before. I like how it's kind of like a rosy pink color at the top. For starters, let me tell you guys, it feels really good on my lips. I've used metallics before, and a lot of the times, because they want to get that high pigment, they'll feel really just, they'll feel really sticky, they'll feel heavy, and they'll feel really, really thick. This actually feels like a balm or a lipstick or like something very creamy. It doesn't feel like a metallic. So this is a really pretty color. This is definitely a day-to-day color. It's a little bit of a mauve-y type of deal. So I feel good about it. I like it. That's a good one. I can't even believe how it doesn't even feel like I'm wearing lipstick. I'm like, it's so weird to me. I've never worn a metallic that feels like this. It feels really, really good and comfortable. So before I put every lipstick on, I'm gonna make sure I put foundation or concealer over my lips so that I get the full payoff of what the true color is supposed to look like, because after a few lipsticks, my lips will get stained. Then next up, I'm gonna go into I Dare You. It's like a fun magenta-y, purple-y type of shade. Legit, if you're in a bad mood and you put this color on, you'll instantly be happy, because it's just, who could ever be in a bad mood wearing this color? Really, really pretty. I don't even want to take it off. Look at it with that highlight too. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I like it. Next up, I'm going to use Sugar Kisses, a fun pink. This is like the perfect baby doll pink. It's very girly, feminine, flirty, not over the top. I like it. I would definitely wear this with just like a little bronzer, a little highlight, natural look, definitely cute. Next up, I'm going to take Our Lips Are Sealed. This reminds me of that Britney Spears song. Like the only 30-year-old who's still obsessed with Britney Spears. Am I alone here? So this is my new favorite. It is like corally pink. This is the ultimate summertime lipstick for real. So then moving on, we're going to do Breakup Makeup. Like a little, it's kind of basically the same as the other one, but instead of flecks of gold, it looks like there's flecks of purpley pinks, I guess. Okay, one thing I have to say about these, I definitely like looking at them in the promotional pictures. I'm like, I don't know if they'll be super wearable, but now that I'm putting on my own face, they are really, really wearable. Like, they're not obnoxious. They're very pretty with subtle metallics in them, not just like over the top where it looks like a piece of plastic on your lips. That's the feel I get with a lot of other metallic lip wear that I've worn in the past. Then next up, we have Pillow Talk. It's definitely like a tan with subtle gold in it. Will probably be a lot of my go-to wears because it's super subtle. I love the names of these. They're very sexual. This is like a brown coppery color. This is going to be like a winter time. I feel good about it. Ooh, I'm loving this. I love this color. I'm actually really surprised. I didn't think I was going to like this one. I actually really like it a lot. Then next up, we have You Better Work. I think this is like too dark of a mauve for me. I think this would look good on people with darker skin possibly, or more of an olivey. I don't know, but it just ain't me. Bitch, I'm Too Faced is next. This is just classic. This is like a classic red, beautiful. You can wear whenever you want. Then next up, we have I Wanna Rock With You. This is like more of a purpley color. I feel like I'm gonna look really stupid in it. I'm not gonna lie, this makes me super excited for Halloween time. I'm into it. I love dark lipsticks. I didn't think I was gonna like it, and I love it. We have the Real Teal. This is like for my mermaids. Where my mermaids at? I love it. I don't care what anyone has to say. Trolls out there, say what you want. I fucking love this color. Oh my god, it's so good. Let's just thank Jesus for 1 second. Hold up. What? Then last up we have Scream My Name. So here is Scream My Name. It's definitely a dark purple, but I feel like, I don't know, maybe I'm colorblind, but I feel like there's like hints of dark blue in it. So that's the whole line. I hope you guys like it. I hope this gives you a little bit more of an insight of if you want to go buy it or if you are looking to buy it online. I love them. They feel super comfortable. That glitter that you can like layer on top of all the other colors is incredible. I would definitely wear that by itself on my lips. I would even put it on my eyes. These would be fun too. Like if you want to get really creative, you could use them as like fun liners, like eyeliners and different things like that. So I'm super excited. I hope you guys love this video. If you pick up any of these, let me know what colors you get. Let me know which colors are your favorite. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you soon.